Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the camera and opening the manufacturer app. Make sure the camera shows a pairing LED or status tone. That tells you it's ready to communicate. You should choose the correct band. Many cameras require 4 GHz, so pick that Wi-Fi network on your phone. Once done, enter the SSID and password when prompted and grant app permissions like Bluetooth or location. These let your phone find the camera and complete the first handshake, which is why they matter. Once paired, you move into network configuration inside the app. You'll either scan a QR code on the camera, choose the model from a list, or accept a Bluetooth handoff. Those steps exchange credentials so the camera can join the network. If you're not comfortable with routers, leave IP on DHCP. This avoids address conflicts. Make sure you enable WPA2 or WPA3 encryption for security. And note any router firewall rules or ports the camera documentation mentions. That prevents connectivity drops later. You finish by verifying a live view in the app and ensuring recordings or uploads begin. This proves the camera successfully authenticated and has network access. If you don't see video, reboot the camera and router, wait 30 seconds, then retry pairing. Temp conflicts often resolve this way. If problems persist, inspect Wi-Fi channel congestion, disable AP isolation on the router, or perform a factory reset on the camera as a last resort. These steps address common network or device misconfigurations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.